Maui Jim Sunglasses are considered by many to be the very best sunglasses in the world. In this video, we're going to look at why. So the thing that's very apparent as soon as you look through a pair of Maui Jim sunglasses is how much different they are than a conventional pair of sunglasses. And what I mean by that is that they're not darkening or dulling the things that I look at. In fact, I'm in an indoor environment now and I can see absolutely fine. What they do is they actually enhance the things that you see, whilst protecting your eyes at the same time. So for example, I'm looking out through the window and looking at some blue skies, I'm looking at green grass, and there's a red car in the distance. The red, the green, the blue are all amplified. I see the colours more vibrant, more vivid than they would be with my naked eye. And it's a really instant impression as well. I don't find that you get that with any other sunglasses, certainly that I've tried. In terms of enhancing your view, making things more colourful, no one does it like Maui Jim. And that's down to rare earth elements, which they say they infuse into the lenses to make things more colourful. And it certainly works. But Maui Jim sunglasses aren't just about the lenses. Combined with arguably the best lens technology in the world, Maui Jim frames are all either made in Italy or Japan to the absolute highest quality. Whichever Maui Jim sunglasses you choose, they're comfortable to wear, they're kind of effortless to wear as well. The thing is, when you've got a pair of these, you're going to want to wear them a lot. Not just when it's really sunny, but even on a cloudy day, because they enhance your view, you're going to wear them a lot more than you would wear a conventional pair of sunglasses. And with Maui Jim frames, that's okay. Whether you've got the really sporty, ultra lightweight frames like this one, or a really bold tortoiseshell acetate like these, whichever frames you choose, they're comfortable to wear, solidly built, and the customer service behind them is excellent. One of the main reasons we partner with Maui Jim is because if you have a problem with your sunglasses, they will sort it. They have some of the best warranties, some of the best repair policies in the entire industry. And what's even better is that virtually every model is available in prescription. So with a wide range of styles, the very best, most protective sun lenses you can get, excellent customer service, why wouldn't you get Maui Jim sunglasses? That's why they're known as being the best in the world. As a little bonus for you, I wanted to talk to you about a limited edition range of Maui Jim Man United sunglasses that we have in stock. There are a few select models that are available with a special red finish to match the Man United kit, and each one comes with a special presentation box. Inside that box is a case and cloth emblazoned with not only the Maui Jim logo, but the Man United logo as well. As I say, these are limited edition, very rare, very hard to get hold of. And if you want a pair, you can order them through our online store. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, it really helps our channel grow. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below, or you can reach out to us via social media. I hope you're all staying safe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.